Hey creators, ready to level up your color grading game in DaVinci Resolve? Today I'll guide you on how to add your custom LUTs seamlessly. Let's dive right in. To kick things off, head over to Settings. That's your control center for all things DaVinci Resolve. Once you're there, click on Color Management. We're about to unlock the door to a world of personalized color grading. Now the magic happens. Click on Open LUTs folder. Like a secret passage, it'll take you straight to the heart of your LUTs kingdom. Remember, this is where you keep all your precious LUTs. Ready to bring in the cavalry? Simply drag your LUTs into this folder. It's like assembling your color army, ready to transform your footage. With this step done, close everything down. Now, let the magic unfold. Reopen your DaVinci Resolve 18 and behold the difference. When you navigate to LUTs, your custom folder should be right there, waiting to bring your vision to life. And there you have it, custom LUTs seamlessly integrated into your DaVinci Resolve experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up